only child. He had everything a man could want, power, grace and style. But I work in his factory, and I curse the life I'm living, and I curse my poverty. And I wish that I could be, oh I wish that I could be, oh I wish that I could be Richard Cory. Papers print his picture almost everywhere he goes. Richard Cory at the opera, Richard Cory at a show, and the rumours of his parties and the orgies on his yacht. Oh, he surely must be happy with everything he's got. But I work in his factory. You ready? Here we go. And I curse the life I'm living, and I curse my poverty. And I wish that I could be, oh I wish that I could be, oh I wish that I could be Richard Cory. He freely gave to charity, he had the common touch, and they were grateful for his patronage, and they thanked him very much. So my mind was filled with wonder when the evening headline read, Richard Cory went home last night and put a bullet through his head. But I work in his factory, come on, see ya. And I curse the life I'm living, and I curse my poverty. And I wish that I could be, oh I wish that I could be, oh I wish that I could be Richard Cory.